Hello, it's Dave Larsen with West USA Realty, and I just wanted to show you a new listing that I have here in West Chandler for you. This is over by McClintock and Ray, and it offers an absolutely stunning, huge family room with master suite addition, and it's in pristine condition, in and out. Additionally, if you're looking for a large lot where you can do an RV, there's RV gate on that side, and grass landscaping front and back with mature trees. So let's go inside and take a look. This is just a fantastic family room with travertine stone flooring, double French doors out to the length of home covered patio, lots of light, a bay window, and it opens right to the kitchen. And I just have to show you this because it's exceptional. Though they are not brand new, they look brand new. Holy smokes, these are the cleanest appliances I think I've ever seen. Oh, and the washer, dryer, refrigerator are all included too. Real nice double door with ice maker in the door. And then there's also a formal living room. I should mention fresh paint everywhere too, both inside and out. The paint is just sparkly. The second bath is remodeled as well. And then we've got two nice sized bedrooms, both with tile floors. And these are, again, separate from where the master is, so you have good privacy between the bedrooms. All right, let's go out back. Here we are at one of my favorite rooms in this house, the split master bedroom. It is separate from the other two bedrooms and offers a huge, which we'll see in just a minute, walk-in closet and oversized bathroom with an extra big shower. Also just a kind of a fun aside, we've got the solid core hardwood door there. Great lighting in this walk-in closet too. It's rare that we get this kind of great lighting. Then there's room, you guys, to add lots more shelves in here if you wanted. And our master, completely custom cabinet light. Oversized shower with real low entry point. It's very easy to get into, and then nice linen closet. Let's move on. Out back here, I just have to start with the length of home covered patio. 3 lights, which could easily be made into fans if you liked. 3 mature, healthy shade trees, and a ton of grass. And oh, we also have RV parking. Actually, the trailer is still here. I'll give you a little more sense of it. All block fencing too. Yeah, you just don't find these kinds of ginormous yards in newer homes. Anyway, that's the intro. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, just give me a call. Dave Larsen at 602-430-5755. Thanks for your time.